This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the compressor. Lock out the electrical supply and bleed residual pressure to 0 to protect yourself. Next, identify the gas handled and verify shaft rotation and maintenance records so you understand failure context. While you're at it, inspect oil level and color, scan for visible leaks, and check the inlet filter and belt tension. These actions let you focus the repair. Once done, you'll be ready to bring in tools and order parts specific to the fault you found. You now disassemble the minimum required components. Take off guards and couplings, then use a Borescope or direct view to inspect internal surfaces. Carefully check bearings and seals for pitting or overheating, and examine vanes or impellers for scoring, erosion, or foreign object damage. These tell you the repair path. Measure axial and radial clearances and runness against OEM tolerances so you know whether to machine, replace, or reprofile parts. Once measurements are logged, decide which components go for overhaul versus replacement. You rebuild using approved parts. Fit new bearings and seals, apply correct torque values, and seal joints per manufacturer guidance to prevent leaks. After reassembly, perform a stage startup, low pressure, then full, while monitoring vibration, oil temperature, and discharge pressure to confirm performance. If abnormal readings persist, isolate the issue by checking lubrication delivery, control valves, alignment, or gas contamination to pinpoint the root cause. A key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.